like that? What is that? Shake, shake, shake.
Hi guys, today we're gonna open this FIDGET box.
Yes, and there's how many surprises inside? 8 different toys inside.
Yeah, and I have my little brother.
Yeah, and he's gonna open one too.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so which one do you want to open?
I want to open the blue one, and Isaiah's gonna open the blue one.
Okay. Now let's open the sides. Remove the tape. Yeah, try to remove the tape. Here, let me take the tape off of you, little baby. Yeah. What is inside? Yes, the box is awesome, isn't it? What's inside here? What's inside? Give me the tape. What's inside? Yeah, okay. He really likes this box. Oh, here, you need help. Okay. Oh, he has a dinosaur.
I have this,
Okay.
this, even this,
Whoa.
this, and this.
Whoa, look at all this. You like that? Is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa. Isaiah, let's see yours. He got this. He got, oh, what is this? What is that? Is that the thing that you pull? Look. Look. Go pull, pull, pull. Whoa. And then what's this? Ooh. What else is inside there, Isaiah? Check it out. Isaiah, look. This was in there. Whoa. What is this? That's insane. What else is inside? There's a robot. Oh, a robot. Wow. There's another robot. There's a dinosaur that is like a squishy. And then, oh, look at this. It's tools. Look. Wow, Elijah, that's awesome. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. Whoa, look at this, Emma. Look, Elijah, you can open this. This is awesome.
Look, he also got this too.
Whoa, what is this?
He took it out.
It's a lollipop squishy.
I got a snake.
You want to help them open it?
I want this. I want to lick it.
That's not real, though.
Yeah.
Whoa,
a
look at
bubble.
all this good stuff. This is so cute. Look at that.
Bubbles.
This, I like this. This is so cute, huh?
Yeah, so cute.
Whoa.
I remember we had one of these.
Whoa,
before.
look at all of this stuff. Yeah, you did. Cool.
Watch out. Like, it's different colors. There was blue, pop, and blue.
This is so cute.
And then we. Ah, wait, it's the thing, is it?
Yeah, you can open it.
Oh, okay. There, you will have something to have fun with.
It is yours. She's opening it.
Yeah, I'm opening it. Okay, now open it.
Whoa. Do you like that?
Hey,
Yes?
guys, we made a video about this earlier. Last time.
Yeah, last time. Look at this one, Emma. This is like the one we made last time too, but look, it's bigger.
Yeah.
He likes it.
Let me open his little one. I want to open my lollipop.
You want to open it? Here. You forgot this.
Video, could you help me? Video.
Look, yes. Yeah, I got it. Look, he's trying to put his stuff away.
I did.
Oh, here. I'll help you here. Put that. You want to put it inside?
Squishy. It's squishy. It's squishing.
Yay!
Look, squish.
It's squishy. Oh gosh. What is this?
Snail.
It's a snail. You have one too. It's pink.
I got a snail.
Look at that. Here's one too. It's pink. wants to open it. Hold on.
Is it? Look.
He wants to stretch it.
Look. Wow.
It's okay.
Oh, okay, mine.
They're called fidget toys.
He's confused. He's like, what is this?
Whoa.
I thought it was the candy. Look, it's slithering on me.
It's a snail. It's gorgeous.
Hey, don't touch my stuff. Don't touch my stuff.
It's okay. Sharing is caring.
I have one of these.
Did you like yours again? Yes, you like it? Yes, you did.
Kind of like one of
Did
them.
you like yours?
Yeah, I really like
Your stuff is awesome. I like the
it.
keychain
It's
one you got.
good.
Whoa, and look, you got a rocket ship keychain. I really love this one. And then a unicorn keychain. And then you, Elijah got this. Well, you got the yellow one and you get the pink one. Open it.
What's a chip? Look, guys. Look, guys. I can pop it. Oh, they're heavy.
Yeah, look. Ah! You like that?
Yeah,
I love that one too. So this is what they got. So this is what they got from the fidget box.
Yeah.
Wow.
We have one of these big ones.
Yeah, so it comes with 8 different toys inside the box. This has got to be my favorite.
Yeah. It's my
Ah.
favorite too. Yeah, what's this?
Second favorite is this one.
Hey, it's so squishy.
Yeah, this one's squishy too. This dinosaur. Look, Elijah, dinosaur squishy.
That's our van. It
Mm-hmm.
feels like
No, I said I did it.
Hey, Mom, it's on the back side.
You like that? What is that? Shake, shake, shake.